What's poppin', guys? It's your girl Millie. Welcome back to the channel, and today I got a special guest for you. I got my makeup artist in the building today. Introduce yourself.
My name is Rami, and I'm a makeup artist, 18 years old, and you guys can follow me on Instagram, alshirak.makeup, and it's gonna be down below.
So let's get into the video, guys. Stay tuned.
They call me Millie Bugs, I suggest you follow me. My bitches love to trick or treat, but not like Halloween. I know the blood, I got the drugs to make your body faint.
I was just like cashiering for cash, and then this queen just pops out of nowhere.
I was actually, this is, okay, sidebar. So this is what happened as to why I went to the Wendy's. I went to do my nails for the video, and I did my toes and my nails, and the girl, she put oil on my toe, and I wasn't planning on doing my toes, and then I went and did my toes, but I had sneakers on. So she told me it was dry, and I was like, are you sure it's dry? And then she's like, yeah, I'm gonna just put some oil on it so it doesn't rub. I don't know if she was just trying to rush me, or I don't know what the case was, but basically my toe, it came off on my shoe like a sticker. Like, you ever seen a sticker?
Yes, she showed me that.
I was like, oh my god. So basically, I was hungry, and where my nail salon is right by the Wendy's. So I walked in there first, and then
I was barefaced, like completely, but like it was a morning shift.
No, your eyebrows were on fucking fleek. Oh
yeah,
your eyebrows were slayed. You can see the slayage from a mile away, okay? Don't let him fool you.
Anyway, I was just like there, la 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 la. I had no customers, so she came out, and I was like, ooh, and then she was about to like put her debit in, and I was like, wait, hold up, what are these nails? I'm like, I love this. And then she was like, oh yeah, I just got it done. And then she started telling me about what happened with her nail toe, and then I don't know how did it come up, but I mentioned that I'm a makeup artist. Oh, you said you're doing it for the shoot.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh, you do shoots.
Yeah.
You do stuff. And then she was like, yeah, I do it for this and that. And I was like, you sing? She's like, yeah. And then she let me listen to her song. Like, girl. I was like, Cardi B who?
Why did he have the whole place bumping to the tune though? I was so gassed. Like, I was like, please don't gas me. He's like, no, I'm not. I'm like, okay, don't stop. Take off.
Yeah. Like, I brought everybody. I was like, when I say everybody, I brought my brother, I brought my manager. I'm like, guys, you gotta see her, you gotta listen. Like, we have a rapper in Wendy's, like, appreciate. And then, like, I mentioned that I'm a makeup artist and stuff, and she was like, oh, I've been looking for a makeup artist. I'm like, are you kidding me? Like, literally. I'm down. Then she added me on Instagram and stuff, and then I'm gonna be going into applying the foundation. We're using the Fenty Beauty, and I'm just gonna start like applying onto the skin. Look up, please. So you really want to work fast when you use Fenty Beauty products, because they are amazingly fast when they dry out, because they are self-setting. But if you're a queen who likes to put extra setting powder on, if you're out with the lightings and stuff, go ahead, because that's going to be very helpful.
So you should put setting powder on this one, on Fenty?
Yeah. If you want to, but you really do not need to, because the product does the job by itself, honestly.
Oh, okay.
Use a concealer or a powder like that has yellow undertones, like this. As you see, it's yellow kind of, just because you don't want it to be completely white, because you look ashy, and that's not what you want to look like.
Okay, good tip. Tip of the day.
Yes.
Does the setup spray make a big difference?
Setup spray doesn't make a really big difference. It just helps to like kind of blend in and like you know, kind of like mix in the powders and make them more as like foundation. And look, if you don't want to have to like a cakey face, you apply like a lot of fixed spots because like it moistens it up and it doesn't make your skin look dry. It makes it look like moisturized, you know, and it looks like actual skin.
So it looks more healthy?
It looks more healthy.
Oh, that's
so
good.
This fixed glass has gold sheen inside it. It's from MAC Cosmetics. So you want to go like this. Smells nice, right? I love this stuff. Yeah,
it smells so good.
Oh, I need some.
I love gold.
Woo! It actually smells so good.
Twinning. I feel like I'm in the commercial.
Alright,
that feels so good.
Right?
Woo.
Alright, so we're going to be applying some eyelashes. What's your eyelashes? They are 018. So we're going for that volume right. Eyeliner. Eyeliner. Here's the tip with eyeliner. If you look up, you'll see where your crease is, like where the crease is at, where it like aligns. So you want to draw a straight. You want to try to have a straighter line when you try to go to the crease. So look what I'm gonna be doing. Look up. So this is where her crease ends. Eyeliner, you want to try to get like a sharper, like straight look. And so I always like to mark down. This is how I always get it perfectly all the time with my clients. I mark down a dot right here, like a small little dot, to let me know where the crease is at. That's where the lift will be. So now I'm going to be applying her eyelashes on. I'm using the Duo glue. Oh, that stuff is like concrete.
I heard Duo glue is the bomb.com. That's the word, that's the phrase of the day, the bomb.com.
The bomb.com. Oh, honestly, you guys should like do a video of how many times she said bomb.com. You said it.
Comment down below how much times you say the bomb.com. Talk about it.
I was like, oh yeah, I'm like the bomb.com and stuff. Oh my god, I said bomb.com again. And then I literally walked outside with like a patch of like black eyeshadow on my eyes. And I looked so stupid. I looked at the picture back again and I was like, I can't believe like.
So what look were you going for?
Just like a dramatic look, but it just ended up looking like just black eyeshadow on my eyes. And so I was like, it's amazing how I made myself believe that I looked incredible even though I looked like hell.
No, because you had the fierceness in your mind.
Yeah, I was like, you know what, I look good no matter what people say. So I look like shit, but like, I felt good. I felt good even though now I look at the back of the picture and I'm like, girl, what were you doing? But like, now I'm like, wow. So we're just gonna set you up. Whoa, lock.
Oh, I
Be
love
lit,
this.
be lit, enjoy. I know you just want more, don't you?
Yes, I love this. I love this spritz thing. Ooh, it gives you like a nice
sheen.
shimmer.
Girl, you can put it everywhere. Here you go. That's my perfume, 24 hours. And so we're gonna be using the Better Than Sex mascara. So like,
ooh, Better Than Sex mascara. Okay.
Right. And so we're gonna blend in the eyelashes with the falsies. Pull it up.
So is it better to apply the mascara after?
After. Because sometimes your eyes can get teary, and I prefer like once your eyes adjust to the eyelashes and everything, and you have the eyelashes on, it blends in actually with the falsies. And I have it as the last step just because powders do go on eyelashes, and then you'll see white on there, and you don't want that.
Oh yeah. Because then you can tell that where
it's
the
fake.
differences, yeah. Sex. Hey.
Hey, so you're all set and
Yes, yes.
you ready to see?
I'm ready to see, guys.
Okay. So this.
Woo! Slay!
So this is
Oh my
you.
god! I love it!
Do you?
We
What's
look
that?
like twins!
We do! Oh my god, yes, we do.
Oh my god, guys, didn't I tell you? Didn't I tell you?
Do you see these brows
guys.
though? These are like, you can cut me, you can cut me.
Alright guys, so this is the final look. I'm so in love with it. I told you guys, amazing work. Oh, I'm so in love. Where can they find you?
You guys can find me on Instagram. It's alsharag.makeup. It's gonna be down below in the description box. And yeah.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Click the notification button so you guys can see more of your girl. And you know, I'm gonna have him back on this show. Okay? Okay. Alright, guys, we are out. Have a good one. Catch you in the next video, guys. Bye.
Bye.